Chapter 9. The next day, Adeline and Mr. Monroe got up early and went out. They visited a wooden crate in the alley behind the Paul Stewart III building that Mr. Monroe had been told about the night before. The Crimson Vixen was surprised to see them. "Mr. Monroe said that you were unhappy last night," Adeline told her, "so we're going to try to help." "It's no good," said the Crimson Vixen. "The Purple Fox is so clever and talented and witty, but he just doesn't notice me, and I'm too shy to tell him how I feel." "Well," said Adeline, "we need to show him how clever and talented you are. Mr. Monroe are already working on a clever plan, aren't we, Mr. Monroe?" Mr. Monroe nodded and handed the Crimson Vixen his raincoat. "Put this on and come with us," said Adeline. "We've got lots of friends who can help." First, they visited the 4th Street bookshop. Then they had lunch in the Tall Teacup Cafe. Next, they visited Pettigrew Park and Ornamental Gardens. And when they got home, Adeline and Mr. Monroe went down to the basement. The plan was coming along nicely. Pages from Adeline's notebook. Peas look exactly alike, 2 peas in a pod song. Slim volume of poetry, handmade by the 4th Street bookshop with lovely poems. Fairy lights from the 1,000 Strong Light Bulb Changing Company. Recycled, it's a patchwork dress recycled from out-of-date fashionable clothes stitched by 1st Street fashion store gorillas. Shower curtains from Marion's Bathroom Supplies, put up by Smith & Smith Pillow Plumping and Curtain Drawing Technicians. Dress designs by Libby the Polar Bear. And Newton Knight's Robocopter. And this is like a drone that says, "Follow me." So I think that Adeline and Mr. Monroe have figured out that the Crimson Vixen really likes the Purple Fox, but he doesn't notice her, and they're making plans to help her get him to notice her. A week later, the Purple Fox heard a knock. When he opened the lid of his bin, he found a note and saw Newton Knight's Robocopter waiting for him patiently. He's following it. Do you see the blue flamingos? There are the meerkats. And he ended up at the balloon.